Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this quick guide, I am going to show you how to transfer ownership of a Discord server. Whether you are stepping down as an admin, handing it over to a friend, or just organizing things a bit better, this is how you can actually transfer Discord server ownership. So let's get started. First, open Discord on your PC or mobile. The process is the same on both. Go to the server you want to transfer. In the top left corner, click the server name, then select server settings from the drop down. Now, on the left hand side, click on members under the user management section. Here you will see a full list of everyone in your server. Find the person you want to transfer ownership to. Hover over their name, click the three dots, and then select transfer ownership. Discord will ask you to confirm. Just tick the box that says you understand what you are doing and click transfer ownership. And that's it. So thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next one.